Om Shanti. Today, 18th of September 2021. Let us listen today's Murli. Essence. Sweet children, charity begins at home. Give this knowledge to members of your family. Benefit your equals. The question of today's Murli is that how can you children make your stage constant and stable? The answer is wake up early in the morning every day and remember the Father with a lot of love. Consider yourself to be a soul and listen to whatever Baba tells you. If you don't have remembrance, you will have useless and wasteful thoughts. Promise yourself that while walking, moving around, preparing and eating food, you will remember one Baba alone. Baba says you should talk to me like that. Baba, I will definitely claim my full inheritance from you. We now definitely have to become Sato Pradhan from Tamo Pradhan. Baba, I will constantly remember you. We have committed so many sins in 63 births. There is such a burden on our heads. Baba, when we cook food or go for a walk, we will surely stay in remembrance of you. If you make a promise while talking to Baba in this way, your sins will continue to be absolved. Baba, I will prepare food in remembrance of you. Baba says when people become impure, they call out to the Father. They say, come and purify us. He would definitely come in the old world. Since he is called the purifier, he would definitely come at the end. He himself says, I come at the confluence age of every cycle to make the world pure. It is now the confluence age. The Father now takes everyone into salvation. Baba says, busy yourself making intense effort in this way, and you will be able to stay in remembrance and also increase your lifespans. The Father says, I remember the children who do service very well because they are my helpers. I love those who benefit many others. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you be a constantly victorious and successful in every task by keeping all three aspects of time in front of you. Those who are sensible in the world will consider the beginning and end of everything before they take any step. In the same way, here too, before you children carry out any task, first of all keep all three aspects of time in front of you and then act. Do not just look at the present time, but have an unlimited understanding and perform every action and speak every word on the basis of having faith in victory and knowing the three aspects of time. You will then be said to be a spiritual and extraordinary. Slogan. Step away from limited supports and make the one Father your support, and you will be able to go across. I repeat, step away from limited supports and make the one Father your support, and you will be able to go across. Om Shanti.